guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing toilet title fence, and we're gonna be trying to get Speaker Repair Drone. Now, Speaker Repair Drone is a very good unit because it can unstun the towers if they get stunned. This is really useful because some towers get stunned for a long time. And it's actually kind of overpowered because if the glitch toilet, if it only wants to stun, so if it can't stun it, and it'll just stay for that person. The heck is a leprechaun crate? Oh, St. Patrick's crate? Oh no. Speaker repair drone. Josa. How much exit? Josie. He's AFK. Right now we're just gonna be looking for is I can't offer. Like, do you have something else? Yes. What I that's what I have. Hmm. Um, do you have speaker repair? Yeah, speaker repair. Is that all your gems? Can I offer for speaker repair? Can I offer for speaker repair? Yeah. Shop. It's in the shop. It's, oh yeah. Please. Please. Please, bro. Please, bro. Oh my god. Need to. See? Hey, hey. I'll just find another one. Okay, connecting. There's more stuff. Okay, after a bunch, we're gonna have to find any mouse. Anonymous. Not any mouse. It was like speaker. If I had it be a L. Oh my god. Another guy has it, so K he KHE. Man, shut up, yeah. Is Joseph finally doing it? Joseph. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to find a speaker repair drone. Let's see, I'm just gonna buy a mythic. I mean legendary. Well, I first said that. Wait a minute. Ain't no way. You know large turkey cameraman, right? I mean turkey speaker man, right? It's a legendary. But large turkey cameraman? 15,000. Now you might be not like, hey, what's the difference, bro? Turkey cameraman used to do 25K, and that one's not even do anything. I'll just buy a good mythic, maybe. I'll just buy this one. Oh my god, bro. Buy this one. Oh my god, bro. Buy this one. Oh, finally. Now I'll buy this one. Oh my god. Okay, guys. That's the end of this video. Well, it was a clearly fail. So, in the comments, can you guys help me out and try to help me get a speaker repair drone? I really need it. Tell me what can I get for it. I've been trying to trade speaker repair drone because speaker repair drone is super good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't think anybody right here has a speaker. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful